Are you spending a fortune on collagen powders, protein supplements, and multivitamins, but not seeing real results? What if you could replace all three with simple, natural health drinks that work just as well, if not better? In today's video, we're uncovering the most powerful, nutrient-packed drinks that can give you glowing skin, stronger hair and nails, muscle support, and daily energy without synthetic powder or pills. Backed by nutrition science and trusted by holistic health experts, these drinks are easy to make, delicious to sip, and incredibly effective for your body. Stick around, because by the end, you'll have a list of powerful, affordable drinks that can completely change your health routine naturally. Let's dive into these real food-based alternatives to expensive supplements. Drink number 1, the Collagen Booster. You've probably heard the hype. Collagen is the secret to youthful skin, strong joints, and healthy hair. But instead of relying on animal-derived collagen supplements, there's a plant-powered way to stimulate your body's own collagen production. This drink is a rich green blend of beetroot, curry leaves, mint, coriander, basil seeds, and Indian gooseberry, amla, each chosen for a reason. Let's break it down. Beetroot is loaded with antioxidants, especially betalains, which fight inflammation and protect skin cells. Plus, it supports liver detox, which indirectly affects skin clarity. Curry leaves are an unsung hero. They're packed with vitamin A, B, C, and E, and are known in Ayurvedic medicine to support hair pigmentation and reduce hair fall. Mint and coriander bring in digestive benefits while delivering vitamin C and chlorophyll, both great for skin healing. Then comes the real powerhouse, amla, or Indian gooseberry. Just one amla contains as much vitamin C as 20 oranges. Vitamin C is a critical cofactor in collagen synthesis. Without it, your body can't create or maintain collagen. To tie it all together, we add basil seeds, soaked overnight. These are rich in iron, calcium, magnesium, and omega-3 fatty acids that help repair skin tissue and reduce fine lines from the inside out. The method is simple. Blend all ingredients with some water, strain the juice, and drink a glass in the morning. After a few weeks, many people notice a visible glow in their skin, reduced hair fall, and stronger nails. You're not adding collagen, you're helping your body make it on its own, sustainably. Drink number 2, your natural multivitamin shot. Multivitamin supplements are popular because we assume our diets are missing something, and often they are. But instead of relying on synthetic tablets, let's build a drink that's packed with bioavailable nutrients, exactly how nature intended. This drink starts with a simple mix of moringa, wheatgrass, spirulina, turmeric, black pepper, ginger, and lemon, blended into a vibrant shot of life. Moringa, often called the miracle tree, is incredibly nutrient-dense. It contains 7 times more vitamin C than oranges, 4 times the calcium of milk, and 3 times the potassium of bananas. It also provides iron, magnesium, and vitamin A, all crucial for energy, immunity, and skin health. Next, wheatgrass. It's rich in chlorophyll, vitamin E, and enzymes that detox the liver and improve digestion. Many report feeling more energized within days of adding wheatgrass to their routine. Spirulina, the deep green algae, is another superstar. Just a few grams deliver B vitamins, iron, and a complete amino acid profile. It supports brain function, reduces fatigue, and even helps lower blood pressure. Now add in turmeric and black pepper. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, is a powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. But it's poorly absorbed alone. Black pepper's piperine boosts absorption by up to 2,000%. Ginger helps with digestion and reduces oxidative stress. And finally, lemon adds vitamin C and helps the body absorb iron more efficiently. Blend these ingredients with a small glass of water. Drink it first thing in the morning or on an empty stomach. This shot covers a wide spectrum of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants naturally. You're not relying on lab-made formula. You're using whole food sources that your body can recognize and absorb easily. Drink number 3, the plant-based protein powerhouse. Protein powders dominate the shelves for a reason. They're convenient and people associate them with muscle growth and recovery. But here's the truth. You don't need a powder to meet your protein needs, especially if you build the right mix of plant ingredients. This third drink is all about providing complete, absorbable plant protein, along with fiber, minerals, and gut support. Here's what goes in it. Soaked almonds, chia seeds, pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, flax seeds, soaked dates, and a pinch of cinnamon, blended with water or almond milk. Let's go ingredient by ingredient. Almonds are rich in vitamin E, magnesium, and protein. Soaking them overnight helps neutralize anti-nutrients and enhances digestibility. Chia seeds offer protein, omega-3s, and fiber. They absorb water and form a gel-like texture that keeps you full longer and improves gut function. Pumpkin seeds are an underrated source of protein and are especially rich in zinc and magnesium, minerals that support testosterone levels, energy production, and immune function. Sunflower seeds are loaded with vitamin B1 and selenium, a key antioxidant mineral. Flax seeds provide lignans and plant-based omega-3 fats. They support hormone balance and reduce inflammation. We add dates for natural sweetness and quick energy, and cinnamon for blood sugar balance. Once blended, you get a creamy, filling drink with all 9 essential amino acids from complementary plant sources. This isn't just protein, it's functional food. Even better, unlike most protein powders, this drink comes with fiber. Most powders strip that out, which leads to faster sugar spikes and poorer satiety. This whole food drink keeps you full and fuels your muscles, especially post-workout. Well, we've covered the physical body, skin, muscles, and nutrients. There's another aspect often missing from supplements: adaptogens. Consider adding ashwagandha to your drinks occasionally. These herbs help your body manage stress, reduce cortisol levels, and improve sleep, all of which are crucial for healthy skin, metabolism, and hormone balance. For example, adding a pinch of ashwagandha powder to your evening protein drink can calm the nervous system and support adrenal health. Or steeping tulsi leaves in warm water and drinking it separately as a nighttime tonic can enhance immunity and mental clarity. These are especially useful for people who are always fatigued despite eating well and exercising. Sometimes the issue isn't lack of nutrition, it's chronic stress depleting your reserves. Another secret? Even the best drinks won't work if your hydration is off. Adding a pinch of natural salt, like Himalayan pink salt, or a few slices of cucumber or lemon to your water throughout the day ensures electrolyte balance, which is crucial for nutrient transport. You can also add a pinch of salt or a few soaked fennel or cumin seeds to your morning drink to support digestion and mineral uptake. Sometimes it's not about adding more superfoods, it's about helping your body use what it's already getting. Let's zoom out. Do these drinks actually replace their supplement counterparts? In many ways, yes. While supplements can provide concentrated doses, they often come with fillers, synthetic binders, and sometimes questionable sourcing. And unless you have a specific deficiency, whole foods often perform better over the long term. For example, vitamin C from amla is absorbed better than synthetic ascorbic acid because it's accompanied by natural flavonoids. Plant-based minerals often come with cofactors that help the body utilize them efficiently, something isolated supplements can't replicate. And when it comes to collagen, studies show that simply supplementing collagen doesn't guarantee absorption or targeted benefits. What your body needs more is the raw material and cofactors to make collagen itself, which is exactly what these drinks provide. What matters most isn't the fanciness of your supplements, it's the consistency of your inputs. These drinks, if consumed regularly, create an internal environment where your body can heal, repair, and thrive. The collagen-boosting green drink supports skin and hair health from the root. The moringa-based vitamin shot loads your body with essential nutrients in their natural form. And the protein powerhouse builds lean muscle while supporting gut health and hormone balance. You won't see results in a day, but give it 30 days. The skin glows a little more, hair feels thicker, you don't crash after meals, your digestion improves. That's the power of food. And best of all, you know exactly what's going on in your body. No artificial flavors, no additives, just plants, seeds, roots, and a little blending. Everyone's body is different. Some may tolerate spirulina well, others may find it intense. If wheatgrass isn't your favorite, replace it with spinach or kale. Allergies? Swap almonds for cashews or skip nuts entirely. You can modify these drinks based on season, availability, or personal need. But the principle remains the same. Use whole foods to support your body's natural systems. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe for more science-backed health tips. Until next time, stay well and stay informed.